This is a 1 megawatt, 1.8 megawatt-hour village solar system that the King of Congo has high hopes for. The King's delegation came to inspect our factory and signed the contract on site.
So actually, would you like to tell us more about the power status now in Congo?
Yes, we've got a serious problem of electricity. The big cities, they have electricity, but the small cities, they don't have.
Yeah, so
like this 1 megawatt we are taking is for a certain place where there is no electricity. Yes, so we really need it.
10 days later, Tanfon engineers went to the site to survey and determine the installation direction and angle of the solar panels, the installation of the ground solar panel bracket, the installation of the high voltage transformer, and the placement of the low voltage transformer. We have rich experience in EPC construction guidance and can assist you in on-site construction and installation, as well as post-installation support, maintenance and monitoring services to ensure the best performance and life of the solar system. This project is expected to install energy storage cabinets and high-voltage wires in March 2025. You are welcome to visit the Congo demonstration project site for guidance.